Peace, greetings. We're about to do the SoleSearch demonstration. Demonstrate the new sneaker boutique finder for the iPhone. If you're on your main iPhone screen, activate the SoleSearch icon. On mine is listed in the bottom tray. It's going to bring up the main information. Here you're going to be at the main screen. One of the main functions of SoleSearch is to bring up the sneaker boutiques closest to your current location. To do so, you can leave all fields blank and just tap the SoleSearch button right there. Oop, not that button. Tap the SoleSearch button. Once the SoleSearch button is tapped, it's going to bring the stores within the closest 200-mile proximity to where you're currently sitting or standing at. We're currently in Chicago, so as listed, it's going to bring up Leaders as the closest location of where we're at. Also going to bring up Ken, Akira, St. Alfred's, Beaumont out in Gurnee. Then it's going to dip off into Michigan, Wisconsin out in Michigan, ACK out in Grand Rapids. So everything within that area. Once you have that information, you can bookmark a store by clicking the bookmark screen right there, the bookmark icon, or you can actually hit the map icon right here. Once you hit the map icon, it's going to take you out of the SoleSearch application and out to the Google Maps application on the iPhone. It's going to bring up all the information. That's the current location that you want to get to. You'll link over to directions. And then from there, you're putting your current location or wherever you want to get there from. You'll be able to take care of it from there. Let's go back to the app. We can show you some more things you can do with that. Back into the SoleSearch app. PNG Subsidiaries Inc. SoleSearch.net. Going through. Back to the main screen. If you happen to be going to a city, let's say we're going out to London. I'm going to go out to London. I'm going to take a look and see what's out there before I get out there so I can kind of put together a little itinerary, some things I like to see. Typing in London, done, SoleSearch button. Still loading the SoleSearch results, bringing up quite a few. We had quite a few locations out in London. Everything out in London, within 200 miles of where the city center for London is at. It's a store called Size out in London. They've got quite a few locations, so those are mixed all through there. So that all that information is there. Let's go back out. Let's see, in the fields, we're going to say, let's see, I always hear a lot of stuff about this store called A-Life. So let's see about A-Life. Let's actually key in A-Life. Once I have it keyed into the store name field, I'm going to hit SoleSearch. Just going to bring up A-Life Rivington Club. Bring up how many miles it is from here, about 714. So I doubt there's any public transportation or walking directions, so it's going to give me driving directions from my current point here in Chicago to that store on Rivington Place. Let's back out of that. Add a store function is the next function that we'll cover. Add a store function actually gives the user the ability to add on any stores that we may have missed, stores that are newly opened, or stores that have closed that we just may not have had the information for. It's going to ask you for the field listed, store name, the address, phone number, and website if applicable. It could be the website's blog that they show the product on, anything of that sort. So we have that information there. Once that's done, you hit add a store. It'll send us an email directly to our devices. Once we have that information, we'll of course view the store, make sure that it passes all tests, product-wise, and things of that sort, certain criteria that they have to meet. Once that's done, we'll have it added to the database within 24 hours. That store will be able to be searched by the user. It's not a thing that needs to be updated once every so often. As soon as we update into the database, it is immediately available. From there, we have the bookmark screen. And the bookmark screen is basically just as it sounds. It's going to bookmark or favorite all the spots that you enjoy going to, spots that you want to check for when you're going to a certain location, and keep them on hand for you to have easy access to. So with that said, we've gone over the major functions of the SoleSearch application. Hope you enjoyed. SoleSearch is for the iPhone sneaker boutique finder. Keyword SoleSearch in the App Store, SoleSearch, all one word. Any questions at all, you can email us at info@sole-search.net. Thanks a lot. Peace.